Welcome to Nomadic Life with Morning Forest, folks. On this YouTube channel, I am trying to survive nomadic in my 24-foot Winnebago View. So let's get down to it. It doesn't have an inverter placed on it. It has group 24 batteries. And instead of replacing the whole system and putting more money into a vehicle that I don't know how long it's going to last, it's doing great. I love the floor plan of this model. So let's get down to it and unbox this. Gonna double time it here. Okay, we have paperwork, we have a lot of packaging, and we have the house charger all set up. And it wasn't running in the box like the last solar powered device I received. So I'm going with the Yeti 1000. Okay, let's get it turned on. Inverter's working. Pulling about 4 amps. Has the choices on top, USB ports, inputs. My plan was to put it up on this shelf. Let's see. This is where I carry my Lagoon table. We'll get that out of the way. And this is the Lagoon mount. This is just my work basket, so when I do go into the office, I can have all of my stuff contained. Oh, perfect width. Now it's a matter of if I can secure it to this location. And we have a working device. 91% charged. It has the inverter. It has on off of the light. You can change it from watts to how many amps you're pulling. It has input and output on the screen. I am liking this device. It is not something I'm going to carry around even if I would have had the Energy Apex. And with the inverter on, it's pulling about 4 to 5 watts and dropping down to 3 watts. This is going to be very nice. Can I run my Insta Pot on it? That would be the question. I can charge right off the USB ports. Let's see if the AC outlet works. And the fan is working awesome. This is going to be nice. I can't wait to give this a good try. Let's see if the Insta Pot will work. Okay, so Insta Pot. I wonder how long it could actually cook on the Insta Pot. Get it on. Okay, let's see. Okay, it is pulling 57.4 amps. Or the fan came on right away, so I'm pulling 675 watts at the moment. And it's just now on the warm-up cycle. We'll let that go for a few minutes. So this unit also came with So this unit came with the 100 watt Nomad solar panel. So let's see what we have here. So this is a hefty little guy here. Okay, just a 4-panel system. It's got a really heavy back to it. It doesn't want to bend at all. I am actually thinking So I actually think on this one, I am going to see how it fits across the window. I have one of those outside covers on for my windshield so it keeps the most heat out. And I think if I put this right on there, it'll be at a good level. And let's just see if it works first. So I did buy an accessory cord. So this is a 15-foot extension. I'm going to see how long I can choose. I don't know where I'm going to put it yet. Eventually, I would like to get panels up on the roof, and then I can just sneak back down through the refrigerator vent down through this side, and I think that will work good, and then I won't have to worry about running the cord. They do not currently have the charger for the car right now. It's out of stock. I don't know if they're remaking or what, but I will continue to check back because that would be ideal. I'm gonna have to measure how far it is to my car cigarette lighter and see if it will reach to this location before I permanently mount it there. Okay, let's get this set up outside and see what we have. I have that little solar panel set up at the back of the RV right now because that's where the sun's coming from. It will reach to the front of the RV or to the back of the RV. So I can put it on either side. Right now I just have it going out my little side window until I get everything figured out before I run something permanent. So the interesting part is I am actually charging at 43 watts right now. The Insta Pot has been running for 15 minutes now, and it hasn't drawn too much out of it. So, can I run the NutriBullet at the same time? I think I'm going to like this system. I'm going to temporarily use a ratchet strap and strap it down to hooks that I have in the floor of the RV for right now, so it does sit on top of this device. So it does sit on the top of this shelf, and I will probably have to move my basket so I can push it back that way as far as possible. This will work out good. This will work out good because when I am not cooking with something, let's just cancel this, unplug this. So this works out perfect for me. I actually use this as a standing work surface. And so I will be able to plug in my devices. I will be able to use all of my electronics, which are already located in this spot when I am plugged into shore power. So it's going to work out pretty good. I will run it for a few days and see what we have. And so far, I am totally loving this. I am looking forward to actually giving it a test. All right, so I am liking this so far. I have actually strapped it with the Thule strap off of one of my kayak straps all the way around. And as you can see, the whole shelf will move and fall apart before that comes out of that spot. Hopefully that doesn't happen. It is 40 pounds, but I think it's going to make it pretty good. So after 7 months of consistently uploading to YouTube at least once a week, I have over 40 videos up on YouTube. I've hit 100 subscribers. Thank you to each and every one of you for subscribing to my channel. And I'm looking forward to creating more content. So go ahead and just leave a comment and tell me what kind of videos you'd like to see, because I appreciate each and every one of you. And if you haven't subscribed, please subscribe now and check out all of these playlists right up here. And enjoy your summer, folks. It's going by fast, and it's time to get out there and enjoy it.